Think of robots. An AI usually comes to your mind first. Eyes, brain, and algorithm and such. But what moves robots is battery. Robots maintain balance, read sensors, and consume power even when standing still. But the moment they move, they consume the power explosively. Every time they raise an arm, walk, or brace not to fall, a power peak occurs. To handle heavy dirty tasks, the peak gets even higher. Robot batteries differ from those in EVs. High peak power and rapid heat dissipation are essential, and frequent charging must not degrade performance. Above all, lightweight matters most. Heavier robots demand more AI computation. Lifting an arm, taking a step, or staying upright all requires computation. More weight means greater inertia and load, forcing AI to compute faster and more frequently. But the computation isn't free. As computation increases, electricity drains faster and batteries become heavier. And heavier batteries make the robot heavier, making the AI work even harder. Weight computation, electricity, battery weight. It's a vicious cycle. While AI makes robots smart, batteries are what actually power them. For batteries that are light, powerful, dissipate heat quickly, and withstand frequent charging without failure. In this era of robots, keep an eye out for Samsung SDI's word.